So we got an E-Mini Pro in. We had a family buy 4 bikes from us. So look at this. This is EMMO's E-Mini Pro. The E-Mini Pro has been around for years. When did this first come out? 2020, 21. They've upgraded it, so it's got the UL 2849 certification, and they've got 4 different colors, and it's just gorgeous. It's gorgeous, gorgeous. So this is your 20x4 fat tire folding electric bicycle. I'm also going to do a video comparing it to the Oyos, which is about $300 less. So I'll show you the differences, why you want to go, or what, just not why, but what's the difference between that one and this one. But let's focus on this one first. So nice low step through. Everything's kind of upgraded. You can choose batteries, I think a 15 and a 20 amp hour. And what makes it a pro is your beautiful screen. All of the new ones are coming with Bluetooth connections. So we have that, so you can have like your GPS screen on your GPS on your screen. Hydraulic disc brakes, huge lighting, suspension, adjustable, mag wheels. They've made their disc thicker as well, and so that's going to have obviously some better stopping, but they don't make sounds. So sometimes when your discs are really thin, they start to sing-songy to you, and that's really annoying. Front and rear headlights, all integrated. And they've added the signals this year as well. There's your lights, horn, plastic. Actually, you do want plastic, you don't want metal, because metal makes noise, right? When you get something like rocks and stuff kicked up. So let's look at the size. So I'm 5'3". We do have some options for shorter seats if you're shorty short, but this would fit, you know, anyone from 5'2" to, I don't know, over 6 foot, because your handlebars are also adjustable. So 2 ways. Adjust them up. Sometimes you have a quick release here where you can twist this, but this is still adjustable, but you're gonna have to loosen off those buttons. Let me put this back down. Lock her up, nice and stiff. So pedal assist, throttle, oh that's too tight. 500 watt motor, but I think it peaks. Listen, I'm not heating the outside. So I just got excited, but this model, like I said, has been around forever, and some really nice upgrades.